In Specifi, it's possible also to import an external plan you received from an architect, for instance, and you can import inside a Specifi empty drawing. It's not recommended to work directly into the plan you received, because that plan doesn't have all the Specifi settings and layers. It's recommended to import that plan inside an empty drawing of Specifi. First of all, we have to open the plan we received. I can open it with AutoCAD, the drawing just received. This is the plan. And as you can see, this plan is only bidimensional plan. Okay, so first of all, I need to understand the unit of measurement they used to create this plan. And we can use measure distance command of AutoCAD just to retrieve the distance between 2 points. For example, the width of the door. As you can see now, it's saying 0.9. 0.9 probably means meters. So now I can go to AutoCAD main icon on top left corner. I can select Drawing Utilities and call Units command. Units command of AutoCAD permits me to verify the insertion scale. In this case, the insertion scale value has to correspond exactly to the dimension we retrieved, to the unit of measurement we retrieved during the dimension command. So now it says meters, and we retrieved the 0.9, so meters, it's correct. Otherwise, you can change the value and set the proper value, just selecting the right value from the list. You can press OK, and you can close the drawing and save it if necessary. Well, we can come back to our Specifi empty drawing, and here we can now import the plan we received from the architect. In order to import our plan, we can use the AutoCAD command classic insert. We use classic insert because it's faster, and because it shows also an important information about the insertion scale unit we just verified in the previous drawing. So we can type classic insert, and we can confirm with enter. So I can search for the drawing. I select my plan. I open it. As you can see, here AutoCAD shows me the block unit, and it says that the insertion scale has been set to meters. So I'm importing a drawing made in meters, okay, and it will use 1000 as scale factor value. It will multiply for 1000 just to convert the plan, the block. In this case, I'm importing from meters to millimeters because we are working with a millimeter specified template. I can press OK. Before pressing OK, as you can see, I activated the explode option, because in this way, all the object will be exploded. We don't have a unique block inserted. And I don't have to take care about the scale factor or rotation angle. I can leave it 0. So I press OK button. I specify a point. Once I've clicked OK, I can go to Specifi main ribbon, and I can press Plan View. Clicking Plan View, I can see the entire drawing just imported. Now, we can verify the same dimension we retrieved before. So I can come back to Home, and from Measure, I use Distance and get the same 2 points. As you can see now, it's saying 900. 900 means it converted the plan from meters to millimeters. So now we are ready to convert our plan to Specifi.